Assalamualaikum and very good evening to all. My name is Laila Suraya Mazifri and today I would like to present about business online that I will explain more details in the video. Do you know that business online can help you to be a millionaire? You can become a self-millionaire without even leaving your home and use the internet. For example, Instagram, blog and Twitter to do the business, which is you use the social media to promote your product. Nowadays, many types of business online exist in the surrounding us. And then I would like to explain the famous one of the type of business online, which is dropshipping. Dropshipping is the most popular types of business online. When you use the dropshipping, you don't have to worry about the products, shipping, and goods. For example, you can see this slide that shows the step to bring the dropshipping. First step, customers buy the product from your website or auction, such as blog, Instagram, and Twitter. For the step 2, you buy it from your certified dropshipper at wholesale cost. And for the third step, dropshipper ship it to your customer. You keep the profit. That means when you get an order from a customer, you just should contact your wholesaler and they handle the shipping. Let's talk about the advantage of the dropshipping. First, you don't have to buy and store the inventory. That means you, as a dropshipper, just promote the product and your supplier can handle all of this. And second is very low setup cost. That means you don't have to spend on the rental and the salary of it. Dropshipping also have a disadvantage, but the disadvantage have a solution. At first, they will have a lot of competition. To be successful, you typically cannot compete about the price. You will need to offer value in the different ways. For example, you must use the promotion strategy, such as you know who your customers, what they want as others. And second, it's hard to sell the product that never received. As a conclusion, anyone can start an online business. If you have a unique products or ideas, you can find a way to sell or trade it.